Dear viewers, next continuation question. After completion of seeing of this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay. See, second question is given that in the textbook, a cement company earns a profit of 9 rupees per bag of white cement sold and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement sold. Okay. Here first bit is given that the company sells 7,000 bags of white cement and 6,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Okay, that first part, see here I did already in the notebook. First, profit on 7,000 white cement bags. We need to find out the profit. Why? Because here profit on white cement bags given means, okay, now 9 rupees into number of white cement bags. So 9 sevens are 63. Okay, 63,000 rupees profit on the white cement bags. Okay, next, loss on 6,000 grey cement bags. For each and every grey cement bag, if you sold means how much loss? 5 rupees loss, already given in the textbook. Okay, so 5, number of rupees how many? 5. 5 into grey cement, number of grey cement bags are 6,000. Okay, 5 into 6, 30,000. Okay, now net profit or loss, we need to subtract these two values. What you will get? 63 minus 30. Okay, 63,000 minus 30,000. How much you will get? 33,000 you will get a profit. Okay, now second part, what is given question? What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit or loss if the number of grey cement bags sold is 5,400? If 5,400 grey cement bags sold means how much will it means profit or loss you will get? How many number of white cement bags we need to find out? Number of white cement bags we need to find out. When there is no loss, what will happen? Profit on white cement bags is equal to loss on grey cement bags. Both are equal we will get. There is no loss means. Okay. See here, according to the question, loss on grey cement bags is equal to how many grey cement bags are sold in second part? 5,400 into loss rupees, 5 rupees. Okay, 27,000. If you do the multiplication, okay, with 5, 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 25 plus 2, 27,000 rupees you will get. Okay, number of white cement bags, we want to find out the number of white cement bags, which is equal to this loss on grey cement bags, 27,000 rupees divided by white cement bags, how many means rupees for each white cement bag sold means how much profit you will get? 9 rupees. So by 9 rupees, then you will get the number of white cement bags. Okay, if you do the division, 9 ones are 9 threes are 27, 9 ones are 9 threes are 27. Okay, 3,000 you will get. Number of white cement bags how many? 3,000. Okay, dear viewers, I hope you understood this sum. Next question, in the textbook what is given? Next question, third question, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. Above 0. Okay, above 0 means we can take positive value, right? If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? Below 0 means we should take minus value. Okay, what would be the temperature at midnight? At midnight, what would be the temperature? Okay, that given information already I wrote in the text, this class book notebook. Okay, see, third question, given that the temperature at 12 noon above 0 degree centigrade is given condition, so we should take plus value, that is 10 degree centigrade. Okay, already given in the question only. The temperature 8 degree centigrade below 0 means minus 8 degree centigrade. Okay, difference between the temperatures, this temperature and this temperature, we should take the difference. Okay, 10 minus half minus 8. Why? Because for these two temperature we are taking difference. It is represented by minus symbol, right? So here 10, how you will get 18 means 10 minus into minus plus. Okay, 10 plus 8, 18 you will get 18 degree centigrade. Time lost, 18 degree centigrade divided by 2. Okay, 2 is given in the given question. Okay, so if you do the division you will get the 9 hours you will get. Okay, at 9 o'clock the temperature would be minus 8 degree centigrade. Okay, next at midnight the temperature 10 plus of minus 2 into 12. Okay, 10 plus into minus minus 2, 2 12 are 24. Okay, if you do the subtraction, minus 14 degree centigrade. At midnight the temperature minus 14 degree centigrade. How we should do the subtraction here? Once you see, here it is plus 10. Okay, first you have to subtract. Here 4, 2 minus 1, 1. Here greater number having minus symbol means that symbol only we should write in the answer. So minus 14 degree centigrade. I hope you understood. Okay, thank you. Do subscribe my channel.